Good morning everybody, and welcome to the sixth seminar that we've run in this series. This particular one's going to be focused on structured data and how you can harness it using search and big data technology for the benefit of gaining insight.
So an event like this is great because you get to meet people, understand their challenges, understand how they've worked their way around those challenges, and get some insight into the market and the technology as you go through the day. So personally I find it very valuable.
I like today's little talk where he was trying to explain at the very beginning the scale of how the data has been expanding over the months and years to come.
The majority of the world of information today is still unstructured. 20% is structured, 80% is unstructured. So there's a huge business in turning structured data into information and knowledge. You've only got to look at the Accentures of this world. They have 1,800 people dedicated to take structured data and manipulating it and trying to get business insights from that information.
I think the first presentation was certainly very relevant to what we're working on at the moment. I'm quite new to the industry, so it's good to get the background there.
I think the agricultural case study was very close, that said, from millions of cows, we need to understand which cow has got a problem. Well, the same thing for us. From the millions of search requests that we do, which ones are really satisfying the end customer?
Every single thing in ag is this today producing data. There's 10 million heads of cattle in the UK. Every single one has got its own passport. If you go to some of the big dairy herds now, they have mats that the cows walk across as they go into the milking parlour that measures the gait of the cow. And they can spot a cow that's going lame 2 weeks before you can visibly see it, which means they can deal with that cow, get it better with less invasive treatments, less antibiotics or whatever that cow needs. So really, really important.
I didn't know there was that much data they were retrieving at the moment, and it's useful to see what they can do with that.
What I was particularly impressed with was the idea, even after all these algorithms, machine learning was taking place, that you still required an analyst.
I think the insight you get, I learned a lot of things that I didn't know around data lakes, some of which I would challenge, but I think it's an interesting concept and needs to be taken to the next stage. I think it's always interesting to hear other people's views.
Well, certainly for me, I've been in the software industry for 10 years, but I've only just joined Elsevier and started working on search tech. So for me, it's a really good opportunity to learn more about the area.
I say it's probably, the moment it's been an excellent. I think it's about to get a lot better. I'm waiting on not the next speaker, but the speaker after. My main interest is in cognitive analysis, getting beyond sentiment.
How do you restructure the unstructured data and combine it with the structured data so that you can uncover new insight?
I think it's really great, the relaxed feel, different people, and the environment was nice.
It's always nice to come with nice, and this is definitely a beautiful venue, so no, very pleased.
A good venue attracts a good group of people to come together, and these things aren't just about the presentations, they're also about the network and learning and hearing what other people are doing. So you want to think the venue will attract other people.
Yes, looking forward to going on the London Eye. I've never been on it before.
Oh yes, I'm very much looking forward to that.